For this installation at the Nasher, I imagined a large pile of ceramic to-go containers and cups that I have been making over the years. And I wanted to make just a large collection of them, as many as I could, as many as possible in the amount of time and constraints that I had. And then I wanted to kind of give it a second life by inviting someone to do a floral arrangement in the piece and add this element of time where the flowers will dry and wilt over the course of the exhibition. They won't be replaced, to kind of show this passing of time and decay and kind of put that context on the piece. I've also included a sculpture of a security envelope that is made from paper and drawn by hand with pen as I traced it over a light box. And the work started with a response to, the visual elements of the patterns and all the differences and all the different security envelopes, and also just thinking about ideas of security or safety or what that looks like as I take the interior of an envelope and kind of open it up and show the inside. And by putting these two different, very similar but also very different pieces in the space, I'm hoping to create a conversation between the two and recognizing the kind of role everyday objects or kind of trash plays in our life, and maybe trying to reconsider things that often go unconsidered.